citizens of Turkey. We are anonymous. Tomorrow, September 10th, we will launch coordinated cyber attacks against the Turkish government's pathetic cybersecurity. We will dedicate our hacks to the people that have died fighting against the fascist government of Turkey. More than 1,000 people gathered in the upmarket Istanbul district to vent anger over the deaths of 10 construction employees. The workers were killed Saturday when their elevator crashed. Protesters organized accordingly to express their outrage at what they see as Turkey's lack of both funds and safety measures regarding construction sites and workplaces. Yet by speculation, this was not an accident, but murder. The riot police responded to the protests with brute force, firing water cannons and dispersing rallies by throwing tear gas at peaceful protesters. Erdogan and the new Prime Minister Ahmed, along with air police forces who have deteriorated and infringed the very rights of the people they claim to protect, and their autocratic motives to strip away the humanity of those in Turkey, will not walk by unpunished or unnoticed. This unjust event was one of many that still holds the Turkish government accountable. From Gezi to Soma to Bergen-Belsen, the Turkish government and their bastardized police forces have once again crossed the red line. We will show the world that our actions will not go silent, and our effects will remain permanent. Operation Turkey. Engaged. We are anonymous. We are legion. We never forgive. We never forget. Government of Turkey. Expect us.